Today we're diving deep into something that affects each and every one of us, staying focused. Yep, you heard it right. It's time to tackle the concentration crisis head-on. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to reflect. How often do you find yourself losing focus? Whether it's during work, studying, or simply trying to read a book, distractions seem to lurk around every corner, am I right? But fret not, my friends, because today, I've got something special in store for you. We're going to unveil a method that's going to revolutionize the way you approach focus. This isn't your average try harder approach. This is a game changer. So, why are we even talking about this? Well, it's simple. Our society is facing a concentration crisis, and it's high time we did something about it. Plus, I've been bombarded with questions from friends about how to improve focus. And hey, I'm all about sharing the wealth of knowledge. Now let's get down to business. Picture this. You're in an environment where distractions are non-existent. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, guess what? It's not as far-fetched as it seems. You have to create that idea focus environment. And believe me, you can. Step 1. Identify an activity that you know can help you focus. Whether it's reading, writing, or even doing paperwork. Hey, some folks love it. Choose something that resonates with you. Step 2. Craft your distraction-free sanctuary. Head to your favorite spot, whether it's your desk or a quaint coffee shop, and bring only the essentials. Yep, you guessed it. Leave that phone behind. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now here's the kicker. Step 3. What about those important calls or texts you might miss? Fear not, there's a solution. Invest in a dumb phone. Yes, you heard me right. Whenever you go to your focus environment, you leave your phone behind, put your SIM at the dumb phone, and take it with you. It's like a blast from the past, but it gets the job done without all those pesky notifications. And just like that, you're in the zone. No distractions, no excuses, just pure, unadulterated focus. Imagine the satisfaction of plowing through a book or crushing your work without a single interruption. That, my friends, is the power of concentration. But wait, there's more. By mastering this skill, you're not just helping yourself, you're setting an example for those around you. Whether it's your kids, your colleagues, or even your significant other, you're paving the way for a more focused, productive future. So, what are you waiting for? Give this method a try and reclaim your focus. Trust me, your brain will thank you later. And that's for today. Remember, stay focused, stay awesome, and until next time, peace out.